So, welcome to East Academia. My name is Brian Modena, and today I'm going to make an illustration video for you guys so that you avoid the mistakes that you so that you avoid the challenges that you were undergoing last time when you are doing the quiz and saving it. So, one thing that you're supposed to know is that you're only supposed to create one instance of your quiz, and the other instance will be a link that you're going to be given after you are saving. So now I'm going to illustrate. Now, by now, you should all have received this PDF that you are seeing here, East Academia Crash Course Week 2 quizzes. So the first thing is to open that PDF. And when you open that PDF, give it time to open. It's opened, and then now you click on these links, okay? So these links are open now, and they're going to be closed on Sunday. So now until Sunday, you guys are free and you have enough work to do up to that time. So if you open the PDF, if you downloaded it from email, you can just click that. And when you just click or double click it, it's going to take you to the browser. For me, it's going to my browser and it's opening, okay? So since it's the first time now, I have to register this instance, and I'm going to register with my details. So my name is Brian, and my last name is Modena. And then when you ask for my email address is bmodena, okay, at gmail.com. So that is my email address, and then I was told to use my code number was number 7, and then I'm going to register my instance, okay? So this video is just for illustration purposes, and you should not take any solutions that I'm going to provide here as the very solutions for the quizzes, okay? So I'm gonna give my quizlet to my flexi quiz to load, and then after I load now, I can come and start taking the question. So I'll begin with this one. So realize that this quiz is different from the other one because this one has A, B, C, and D. So and you're told to clearly label your answers. So what you do for you to avoid these mistakes in the answer in that answer bracket, you just copy all this, including the marks, so that when when the graders are grading your work, they will have an easy time to see how many marks are located in each questions. And then after you've copied those ones, you just paste them in that solution bracket, okay? And then you answer below each section, okay? Like to create a space, you just press enter. So if the question is give this reason why it is not necessary to begin a sentence with the word so, in each case give an example. So I'm just going to write I'm going to fabricate some solution, assuming this is my solution, and then I'll say example. So that is a reason, and then I'm going to say example, and then I'm going to talk again, okay? And then I'm going to talk again. Now sorry about that, something went wrong. Okay, let me just repeat what I said. After you've copied, you paste, and then you answer below each letter, okay? So there's answers of A, you put them there, and then you come to the answers of B, you come here, and then you press enter. You put the answer for B there, and then you come to the answer of C. You put the answer for C there, okay? And then make sure if the space is too low, you can push this solution that way so that it looks neat. And then another thing I am going to do now is like maybe this second part where I'm having different videos. So in this situation, I'm also going to copy these questions or these prompts. I can just copy them that I can just right click and choose copy, and then I come and right click and put paste. So and then I'll come just answering below this one. So I'll answer that, and then I can come also down here and answer that, and then I can come also down here and answer that. So basically that is how the thing is, okay? That is how the things are, and that is what you're expected to do. So in case, for example, you are feeling tired and you don't want to continue, now you want to continue these videos later to this section if you're finished, so that you continue this other section later. What you do, you go, you scroll down until you are going to see save and continue, okay? So the thing is, you are going to save this work and continue later. So when you press save and continue, it's going to load, and then let's see what happens. Okay, something is happening, and then it's telling you your responses have been saved. You can continue to the quiz at a later time using the quiz link below. So next time when you want to log in to proceed with the assignment where you left from, you're not supposed to go to those first links which I sent you, because those first links will just make you register another instance, okay? But if you take this link that is available here, that would mean that that would mean that you're going to actually you're not going to register again, but you're going to access the work that you've already done. So you come to where you have two paper things here. These are these symbols, and then you click there. It will, if it's copied, it will tell you copied, okay? And then maybe you go to a Word document. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm gonna open a Word document and paste it there. So I'm going to open a Word document. Okay, so when I open our document, I'm just looking for space, and then I'm going to paste it there. So then that means, and then now because of that, I'm able to close my browser. Let me see what's going to happen. Because of that, now that I've saved that link and everything is okay, I can close my browser. So let's say it's after 2 days now, I've come back and I want to continue with the quiz. So I'm just going to open the browser like that. And I'm going to give my browser time to load. So now that my browser is open, what I need now is the link that is going to make me continue from where I stopped. So I will come and open my Microsoft Word document. So when I come to my Microsoft Word document, so I know this was my link. So I'm just going to take that link and I'm going to copy it, and then I'll come to this section where URLs are placed here, and I'm going to paste, okay? So when I paste that one and then I press enter, so you can see it's taking me back to my quiz and it's not telling me to register. Let's see if our solutions are saved. Yes, you can see my solutions have been saved, okay? You can see these are the solutions that I placed. So I will not have to redo that work. I'll just continue with where I stopped. So this is where I stopped. So that's where I'll proceed. So I'll just keep keying answers there. I go to the next question. I key answer there. Like I said, these are fabricated results. So you should not worry what they mean or what I'm meaning. So I'm just putting answers here for illustration purposes. And then I come to the next section. I watch these videos. So I can watch these videos, and then after I've watched these videos,
American versus British English. Spelling difference.
So after I've watched the videos and I'm done, and I'm told to clearly label your responses like here. So the thing is, for me, I'm just to avoid a lot of work, like maybe writing A, B, C. I'm just going to copy the questions and I'm going to paste them there. And I'm going to now, where there is A, I'm just going to press enter, and then I'm going to answer below it, that prompt of A. Where there is B, I'm just going to put the cursor there and I'm going to answer below it. So that's how I'm supposed to do. And then if again something comes up and I don't want to watch these videos now, maybe I still go and save, okay? I still come, I save and continue, and I'm told the link, here is the link, okay? So I'm going to take that link and I'm going to copy it in this Microsoft Word again, and then we'll see what happens, okay? So I'm going to copy this link that I'm supposed to continue with. But when I look, it seems like the links are the same, okay? So what it means is that when you have that instance that you have that you've saved, one link is just okay for you to proceed with those instances, okay? So let me write something. Let me delete, and then I'll use the first link that we saved to see where we left from. So let me say now this is that. So I'm coming to add a word, and then so that I confirm if the link. So this time around I'm going to go in with this link, okay? So I'm going to copy that one, and then let me see if I'm going to be able to paste it. So I'm going to open my browser, and then I'm going to paste. So if I paste, you can see it's not going to ask me any details of registration or whatever. It's going to take me directly, okay? So now for me to experiment what I want to do, this time around I'm just going to write the name here. I'm just going to write my name so that I see if the first link will also bring these changes of Brian, okay? And then I'm going to say save and continue, and then I'm going to copy here, copy, okay? And then after I've copied it, I'm coming here, and then I'm coming to paste it here, okay? So yes, so I don't see the need of doing this several times. So let's see if I told the first link. Now what happens if I close this and then I come now to this browser and I copy the first link, and I see if even the first link will have my changes, like for Brian. So this was my first link, so I'll come and highlight it, and I will copy it, and then I'm going to come to my place where I'm going to put URL, and I'm going to paste it there, and I see if it has the latest changes including Brian. So it has the latest changes. So what this tells us is that one link is enough for you. You don't need to you don't need to be generating links all the time, as one link is enough for you to use. So that's a thing that I've learned today, and I think it's going to be important for you. So just note that, okay? If you have one link that you can save and continue, then you can do everything else. So like I said, don't forget that everything that you're supposed to do here is that you are supposed to copy all these questions, including the marks that they carry, okay? And then you paste them in the solution, and then now you answer everything under that prompt. Like for this one, is the difference between grammar and mechanics. Please give 2 examples. You come, you do everything what you're supposed to like there. And then 9 marks. Using 2 examples, explain each of the following grammatical errors. Sentence fragments. You come and explain what sentence fragments are. Run-on sentences. You can come and explain what run-on sentences are here. Okay, of course, all these are found in comma splices. Of course, these ones, all of them are found in the video. So you come and explain what comma splices are. And then make sure you leave enough space because you need to show the difference that this is a different number, like this is C, okay? And then when you come to see what is the difference between period and full stop, you come, okay, you put that reasons there. You come to part D. So you can see the work. The work looks neat and everything is okay. So basically I don't expect that maybe you're going to have challenges. So again, if you're tired or maybe if something has come up and you want to go, you just save, okay? It's going to give you the very same link that we had before. So if you copy it, you can also come and save it in there in a Microsoft Word, and you're going to use it to access the documents later, okay? Yeah, so basically that's it, and I don't see why you guys you should be having those several instances of people registering multiple times. No, that one is not necessary. So basically that was it that I wanted to show you, and this is just an illustration video. So thank you very much for watching, and work hard. Okay, so this quiz will last until Sunday. So for this week we might not have to talk too much, not unless if you're experiencing technical issues, but all what you're supposed to cover is inside the quizzes. So what I'll say is that you guys have a nice time, and we'll keep in touch. So with those few remarks, I'd like to say that I wish you all the best. So thank you very much and have a nice time.